Merging duplicate records in Salesforce is a game changer for keeping your CRM clean and efficient. And by the end of this quick explanation, you'll know exactly how to do it like a pro. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to streamline your workflow, this is a must-know skill that will save you time and headaches. And here's the best part. You can start using Salesforce completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Stick around because I'll also reveal a little known trick at the end that will make managing duplicates even easier. First, let's talk about why merging duplicate records in Salesforce is so important. Duplicates can clutter your database, lead to inaccurate reporting, and even frustrate your sales team. Imagine reaching out to the same customer twice because their information was entered multiple times. It's not a good look. Salesforce makes it simple to clean this up, and I'll show you how. To start, navigate to the record you want to merge. Salesforce allows you to merge up to 3 records at a time, which is perfect for cleaning up those pesky duplicates. Click on the Merge button, and you'll be prompted to select the records you want to combine. Salesforce will highlight the differences between the records, so you can choose which information to keep. For example, if one record has an updated email address and another has a more recent phone number, you can select the best data from each. Once you've made your selections, hit Merge, and just like that, your duplicates are gone. But what if you have more than 3 duplicates? Don't worry. Salesforce has you covered. You can use tools like duplicate rules and matching rules to automatically flag potential duplicates as they're created. This proactive approach ensures your database stays clean without constant manual effort. And if you're dealing with a large number of duplicates, consider using Salesforce's data loader or third-party apps like Demand Tools to streamline the process even further. Now, here's that trick I promised. Did you know you can preview the merged record before finalizing it? This is a lifesaver for ensuring you don't accidentally lose important data. Simply review the preview, make any last-minute adjustments, and then confirm the merge. It's a small step that can make a big difference. By now, you should feel confident about merging duplicate records in Salesforce. But before you go, remember that you can start using Salesforce for free with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the link below. This is your chance to explore all the features we've talked about and more without any commitment. So why wait? Clean up your CRM today and take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Salesforce tips.